Eskişehir bicyclet Velosbid. This is a sort of casa de ciclista where people can come and stay. There is a little apartment there for cyclists, for bike travelers. There is another guy from the UK gym. He's asleep, but I'm ready to go. I was here 3 days, and it was nice to have some company. The house is very basic. There is water from the well, but it's not potable because it's in this water reservoir that is kind of open. So there is probably stuff growing in there. There is no cooker, there is no fridge, but it's nice. There is a shower. Actually, it's warm. It's a warm shower. So there you go. I chilled 3 days. I kind of needed at least 1 day off, and then I edited a video and did some bits and pieces, and I chilled a little bit. And now I think I won't be stopping until I finish the Sufi Trail. So it's probably gonna be a week, even more, 10 days. Let's go to say goodbye to Jim. Dude, I'm off. Stop at Burger King because they have a menu double for €3.60. 175, 2 burgers. I'm gonna have cola, and it's gonna be the last burger in a very long while. As you can see, in Eskişehir, it's like Venice. They have gondolas. We are back on the Sufi Trail in the city center of Eskişehir. It's actually nice. There is this river, there's the gondolas, lots of restaurants. It's a nice town. I like it. Lots of touristy things, all made in China. That must be an important mosque. We go through the cemetery. This one is a little easier than the one in Bilshak. All paved. We are already on top of the city. That's it, the end of Eskişehir. That's the new part of the city. I think once upon a time there was a trail, but not anymore. They made these terraces. The trail must have been there, because there is the trail down there. But motherfucker, we could have left a little bigger passage. Fucking hell. Well, one guy helped me to lift my bike on the stairs. So, it was easy enough. Let's enjoy the ride in the forest. Taking a moment to breathe and look down into the city. Where is the trail? Must be here. Another trail. Not very traily. sunflowers are very small. They need more water. But even if they get water now, they don't get any bigger than this. And look at this, Sufi Trail. Why? Why? What the fuck, Turkey? What a view, guys. What a view. Another little village. La gallina coccodè corregaia in mezzo all'aia. What a nice ride! Beautiful.
Next, keep left.
Harvesting the hay. A lot of hay. Let's continue on the Sufi Trail. Ride to the light. It's full of these stones that they cut up. I don't know if it's marble or maybe not marble, but similar. Similar there. It's an old mine. Here's the newer mine. Another village coming up. I need to get some water. I remember here in 2019 I stopped and I had to put a plug in my tire. Another push and I'm done even with this climb, I think. I need to go back to Eskişehir, look. This is a problem. I need to go back and get it fixed. Alright, I'm heading back to Eskişehir. I will come back tomorrow. What can I say? Fuck it. I'm back at the house. I slept here last night. And yeah, 30 kilometers to go back on the trail. The cassette is fixed, but the underlying problem is still there, I think. I brought it to two mechanics and both of them, they see no problem, but I do see a problem. I'm back at the same spot. I did about 31 kilometers back and it's 1:45. I was aiming to get back here by 12, but yeah, 45 minutes longer. I took a little break. Now we continue on the Sufi Trail. What can I say? I lost almost one day. And still, there is a problem with my bike and I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's the cassette, I don't know if it's, I don't know, the chain, but everything is new. It really bothers me. Sufi Trail, ride to the light. I have a bit of a navigation challenge. I'm supposed to turn right here, but I do not see any trail. see nothing. Actually, it's even fenced down there. Alright, I will continue on this road. And I think eventually I get back on the trail on that hill. There is nothing here, and it's fenced. You can see the fence very well here. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that.
Your route is 150 meters.
I think my trail should be there, but there is nothing. Now here there is a gate. The road stops, but a little bit further up there should be a trail that goes down to the road, and then I can do a little bit on the road and get back on the trail on that village. I think they recently fenced this thing. Alright, made it to the road. Now I'll go up a little bit and then get back on the trail. Now if I go straight, maybe like 600 meters on the other hill, I should get back on my trail. On top of that hill, I will be back on the Sufi Trail. It's hot, it's almost 2 o'clock, it's very hot. And there is a breeze, it's okay, but when the breeze stops, it's that time of the day, it'd be nice to stop somewhere in the shade for an hour. But there's no shade here. I might just as well keep on going. Finally, back on the Sufi Trail.
You're back on your route. Navigation will now continue.
I keep losing the trail. It was supposed to be in the middle of that. Maybe this was the trail.
You're back on your route. Navigation will now continue.
Water, not, it's okay, there is a bigger village coming up in a few kilometers, I think. And there should be a shop as well. This water is so fresh, that's what the doctor ordered. Oh man, this water is incredibly cold, almost very cold. If you wonder if I filter the water, no. What a fantastic ride. Beautiful. Oh, luckily there was a shop in this little village. I stopped, I had an ice cream. A little bit of sugar, a little bit cold. Yeah. It's really hot. It's 39 degrees. I love it. I love it. I think the mosque and this group of buildings was part of the Sultan buildings. Let's see if we can go in. It's a beautiful complex. There are loads of trees, or mulberry trees. There's one here. There is a few ones there. Beautiful place. Let's see if I take another nice picture somewhere around here. Let's leave this charming little place. Next stop, the town down there. There I'll have a bit of food, I guess, huh? Almost made it to the town. Look forward to taking a break, having a bit of food. Last time I went inside this bakery, I went in the back office. Well, I went to inside where there is the oven and they were baking bread. This is the name of the village, Seyitgazi. I'm in this restaurant and I had a little bit of rice, meatballs with potatoes and beans. They also have soup and other stuff, but this is what I had, and I spent about €4, but I also had two iron and Coke, that it was very cold. Thank you very much. Ciao. Ciao. Yeah, the mosque is here. I should go up and then go around the mosque and grab a trail that takes me on the road that is behind those trees. So I will try to find if there is a trail. Otherwise I go back down and go up from the other road. It's just better for my back because I'm having little troubles with my back and I don't want to do this. If I'm not mistaken, even the last time I did something like this, that I came up here and then I went back. Yeah, there are some trails, but I need to get up there. Yeah, I will what about this one? This looks fun. This is not on the map, but there might be a good chance that it takes me on the trail I want to take. This was easy enough. I want to go back to the mosque because I want to see if I can get some water. I got water, I washed my face. The last push, it's a bit late, 7 o'clock. It is what it is. Oh man, my legs are 2 pieces of wood. The city is now below there, the mosque, the flag on the peak, and there is where there was the Sultan complex. The temperature today was pretty hot, was 39, as I mentioned. But the nights are relatively chilly compared to the day, because the temperature will drop to 13 degrees. If you are at a little higher elevation, probably even a little lower. So there's almost 30 degrees difference between the day and night. Lovely riding this evening as well. Sun is going down. I remove my hat. I remove the sunscreen. Beautiful. Beautiful riding. Hello, buddy. What's up? You hungry? It's still early. It's about 40 minutes, 35, 40 minutes to the sunset. It's going down though, you can see there. But I'm a bit tired today. I did good progress, I think. And I wanna save the legs a little bit for tomorrow. Tomorrow I wanna do a long day as well. I'll try to get up early. I'm gonna camp here, I think. It's flat enough. It's almost sandy. I will remove some of the stones. Makes these changes. I shot an arrow right, it lands left. I ride after a deer and find myself chased by a hog. I plot to get what I want and end up in prison. I dig pits to trap others and fall in. I should be suspicious of what I want.